Hey my loves, so this video is sponsored by Luvwin hair, and these are the goodies that came in the bag. Love goodies, who doesn't love goodies? But the hair that they sent me is a 13 by 4 honey blonde wig, and it is a 14 inches. The length is 14 inches because it is a bob, as you guys can see. And this hair is also glueless, which we love. So it's the first time we're trying a glueless wig, so let's see how we do with the install. And also it comes with a lot of things to secure the wig. This wig does not go anywhere, and I have slept with the wig on and it's still intact. It does not go anywhere. So those are the comb that it came with, the elastic band that you can use. The wig does not move, like I said, and it fits your head perfectly. Like it fits perfectly. I didn't really have to cut a lot of lace or anything because only a little bit of the sideburns, but that's about it. The hair and then the lace just melts to your skin. It just melts, like it doesn't need any glue whatsoever, anything. But I hope you guys do enjoy this install. Just stay tuned and watch, and I'll see you guys at the end on the other side. Okay. So you will definitely see me plucking some more because I'm trying to leave this baby hair to make it look right, you know. And also you're gonna see me in a different scenery. I like the same scenery, but makeup is done, and that's because I realized I got somewhere to go, and then my camera also did die on me, so I had to use my phone to finish filming. So before I did that, I was like, let me just do my makeup and restart this whole process all over again. Not all over again, well, just doing my baby hair all over again. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm just talking to myself, so ignore me. But yeah, we're just gonna continue styling the hair. I love this wig. As you can see, like the lace is flawless. The lace is amazing. Like with this hair, the lace is so thin, which I love, and it's just, it melts. It literally just melts into your skin. Okay, but continue watching, stay tuned. I was going for like a beach wave, so that's why I didn't really curl the hair. Like I didn't give it tight curls because I was just going for that natural curly, that naturally wave. So this is the hair intact, and it's not going anywhere. As you can see, it's literally not going. And this was a footage from my camera, and also this is a footage from my camera, and just to show you guys how I installed the wig with literally no glue. No glue, no hairspray. The only thing I used was gel for my baby hairs. As you can see, the lace literally just is, you can really tell it's lace, like literally. The hair just blends in so perfectly, and I can't believe this is a glueless. Like I've never installed a wig before without using any product, like any glue or whatsoever.
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links for this hair will be down in the description box below, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video.